Who here hates having to keep up with those pesky little vocabulary flashcards? I know I do. My students tend to lose or misplace them, and I don't blame them. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to create vocabulary review cards on Google Slides. Let's get started. So now I'm going to show you how to actually create the vocabulary review cards with Google Slides. Throughout this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create these cards on Google Slides. You can use this tool throughout a unit and add vocabulary words as you introduce them. So the first thing we're going to do is add a title slide like I do right here. Like I have right here. I titled mine Science Unit 3 Vocabulary Review Cards. You can add your own title in your own content area on whatever unit you are covering. Next, I created a vocabulary slide with all the vocab words we will be covering for the unit so that the students can have a quick overview. I decided to add pictures to mine that relate to the content area of my particular unit, which is force and motion, as you can see. You can add a picture in by clicking on Insert, Image, search the web, or upload from computer, but I just searched the web because it's the easiest way to do it. Instead of having to go and choose one, save it, and upload, this is the best way to do it here. So you search the image that you want, let's say force, search it, click on it, and then you're going to click the little insert button down here in the bottom right corner. I make sure to add images for my vocab words, for my vocab word overview so that the students can have an idea of what we're going to be covering this unit. So, next slide, I began with my first vocab word, force. I added in the vocab word, the definition of the vocab word, and then I added in 2 images. I make sure to add images from my vocab words as to help my students understand the words as best as possible. For my next slide, I added in my next vocab word for the unit, its definition, and then I decided to embed a video on this slide. To embed the video, I searched for the video on YouTube, copied the link, and then went back to Google Slides. I click on Insert, Video, and then I inserted the link right here. Just copy the link and paste it here. And then you click on the video and press Select. Your video will embed right here and you can play it directly from the slide. So I choose to add videos on select vocab words, and you can too, where you feel like the students would benefit and understand the word best through watching a video that describes or demonstrates the word. For my next slide, I add in the vocab word again, its definition, and this time I decided to add in an image and a video. So to add in my images and my video, I went through the same process, insert either image, search the web, just like we did before, or my video, click on the video, add the link, and embed it. So to add, you can see that adding the images and videos are a pretty easy process. Just follow the same steps that we did from the previous slides. So for this demonstration, I only decided to create 3 slides with 3 vocab words just to give you an overview of how you would create vocabulary review cards through Google Slides on your own. Remember, you can make these as fun as you want. The kids will love it, and it will make the review time more easier and more interactive and efficient, not only for you, but for your students. They won't have to be carrying around all these vocab words. So I know that was a lot of information we just covered. So now let's just review what we learned so that you can apply this skill on your own. So when you have all of your vocab words added into your Google Slides presentation, you can go ahead and click on Present. You want to click on Present to be sure that your slides look the way you want them to and to make sure that any videos you added in are working. And now you don't have to worry about the students losing their vocabulary flashcards or booklets or whatever it is they were using before. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and learned how to create vocabulary review cards on Google Slides. Let's go through my presentation just so you can see the final result. So here's our title page. Our Unit 3 vocab words all here. Our forest definition with our images. Speed, we can watch our video.
At most of the racetracks, you're cornering.
Our video works. Next slide, gravity, definition, we have our image. We can play our video directly from here. And we know that our video works. So again, thank you guys so much for listening, and hopefully you learned a lot out of this video. Thank you.